The start of production for the new Škoda Epiq marks a major milestone for the Czech automaker as it continues its push into the electric vehicle market. Built at Volkswagen's Navarra plant in Pamplona, Spain, the Epiq is not only an important new model for Škoda, but also a key piece of the Volkswagen Group's broader strategy to make electric vehicles more accessible to everyday drivers across Europe. For Škoda, this launch represents something entirely new. The Epiq is the first vehicle in the brand's history to be manufactured in Spain. While most Škoda models continue to roll off production lines in the Czech Republic, producing the Epiq in Spain allows the company to take advantage of Volkswagen Group resources while keeping valuable production capacity available at its home facilities for other popular models. The Epiq enters the market as Škoda's most affordable electric vehicle. With an expected starting price of around €26,000, the company hopes to attract buyers who may be considering their first electric vehicle. Affordability has become one of the biggest challenges in the electric vehicle market, and Škoda believes the Epiq can help bridge that gap by offering modern technology without a premium price tag. The model is also significant because it introduces several important firsts for the brand. It is the first Škoda built on Volkswagen Group's new MEB Plus platform, an evolution of the architecture that already underpins several successful electric vehicles across the group. The platform allows for improved efficiency, greater flexibility, and the ability to offer multiple battery and powertrain configurations. Another standout feature is the introduction of Škoda's modern solid design language. The Epiq becomes the first production model to fully embrace this new styling direction. The design focuses on clean surfaces, a stronger visual presence, and a more modern interpretation of the brand's identity. It signals where future Škoda vehicles are headed as the company enters a new era of electrification. Despite its compact dimensions, the Epiq is designed with practicality in mind. Škoda has built a reputation for maximizing interior space, and the new electric model follows that philosophy. Buyers can expect a roomy cabin, smart storage solutions, and everyday usability that families and urban drivers will appreciate. Performance options will vary depending on the version selected. Customers will be able to choose from power outputs ranging from 85 kilowatts to 155 kilowatts. Different battery options will also be available, giving buyers flexibility based on their driving habits and budget. On a full charge, the Epiq is expected to deliver a driving range of approximately 440 kilometers, making it suitable for daily commuting as well as longer journeys. Technology is another area where the Epiq aims to exceed expectations. Advanced driver assistance systems and safety technologies commonly found in larger and more expensive vehicles will be available. Features designed to improve convenience, comfort, and occupant protection will help position the Epiq as a strong contender in the growing electric vehicle segment. The Navarra factory itself is playing an important role in Volkswagen Group's electric future. The facility has produced more than 10 million vehicles since joining the Volkswagen Group and currently employs nearly 5,000 people. Traditionally known for building combustion engine vehicles such as the Volkswagen Taygo and T-Cross, the plant is now evolving into a hub capable of producing both electric and conventional vehicles on the same production lines. The Epiq is part of Volkswagen Group's electric urban car family initiative. It will share its development strategy with several other upcoming compact electric models, including the Cupra Raval, Volkswagen YD Polo, and Volkswagen ID Cross. This collaborative approach helps reduce development costs while allowing each brand to maintain its own identity and character. Looking ahead, the Epiq is expected to play a major role in Škoda's electric expansion plans. Together with the upcoming Peak, the new model will help the company significantly grow its battery electric vehicle lineup. With strong sales already recorded by the Enyaq and Elroq, Škoda is building momentum at a time when demand for practical and affordable electric vehicles continues to increase across Europe. For many buyers, the Epiq may become the ideal entry point into electric mobility. It combines reasonable pricing, modern technology, useful driving range, and the practicality that has long defined the Škoda brand. As production ramps up in Spain, the Epiq could become one of the most important vehicles in Škoda's modern history and a key player in bringing electric transportation to a wider audience.